Okay, so we're here at 1350 McCollum Street in Los Angeles. We're running our camera from the clean-out located underneath the house. You can pretty much see all the plumbing underneath here. It's a very good crawl space. We have our camera in. We're all the way out to the city connection in the street. So there's the city sewer flowing by right there. I'm going to bring the camera back. Now you can see right over here near the city connection, it's pretty badly cracked over here. Right over there, you can see it's a little bit more than a bad crack, this. It is functioning, but it possibly could be leaking in the ground, which could be a problem, which could cause a sinkhole and stuff. I would, in my opinion, recommend that be repaired over there. So let's bring the camera back. It is a little over 10 feet deep at the city connection. Now coming back, we're going to look at the pipe. A little bit of mortar at the joint there. And this looks pretty okay here. So here it's going to come onto the property to the 4-inch pipe. Now, the 6-inch pipe, in my opinion, doesn't look too bad, except for the end. It is definitely a little bit more than a crack, a little bit broken at the end. Coming back from here, we're coming onto the property underneath the concrete driveway. So this all looks pretty good. You know, little cracks, little bit of roots in the line. That's very common. It's just at the end of the line, it was a little bit more than a crack, so I don't really like that. When you find little cracks like that in the line there, then that's very common. You're going to get this in a clay pipe this age. Now, right over here, we start coming back, and we're definitely got a lot of water laying in the line over here. Now, technically speaking, you can see there, it's definitely sunk down for good like 15 feet or so. There is a minimum amount of grade, but it could be fixed and regraded a little bit better. You know, you're going to have to stick to with what you've got. It's a minimum amount of grade because I already measured the grade and stuff. Coming through here, this section, I think we should clean up the lens there, Alex, because this is really bad over here as well. This is not very good, this section of cast iron pipe here. So Alex is just going to pull the camera out, clean up the lens, and go back in now. So it goes into the clean out, and then to the section of cast iron pipe here. It's pretty old, and it's got roots coming through there as well, through the cast iron, and then comes out to the outside. So we're probably going to recommend the belly be fixed, this section be replaced, and the saddle, a new saddle installed onto the city sewer. We'll go ahead, stop the recording over here.